And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is right now Sunday, June the 5th, 2022. It's about 4:05 p.m. and we're here at the municipal garage on Madison Street near the corner of Saint-Jacques here in Côte-des-Neiges. And there's always something interesting to see here if you take the time to look. And today we got some interesting fire trucks here. Here's fire truck 418. Now I don't know if this is here to get repaired or what's going on, but I assume a lot of these vehicles you see here, and there's some garbage trucks behind me. In the back there's a, looks like a water truck. And I assume that this is where some of the units get repaired. And there's a couple of other interesting ones down here. I did a video in the past of this cool, I think it's a water tanker truck right here. 6051. Sorry, I got some plants here in my way. It's kind of hard, but yeah, look at that right there. That truck right there is a pumper truck, or a tanker truck, sorry. 6051. And there's some other interesting little vehicles here. I've got a rescue unit 557 and a hydraulic repair truck right there, 974. And yeah, I assume these will soon be going into the repair shop. And this comes from all the way out in, says there, Ile Bazar, Saint Geneviève, Saint-Anne-de-Bellevue, Pierrefonds, Senneville, and Dollard-des-Ormeaux, and Roxborough. So that's from the West Island. This one as well is from Saint-Anne-de-Bellevue, this 6051 unit, this tanker truck. Try to get a picture of that as well while I'm here. And it's hard to film right now because of the sunlight. Yeah, get a couple of pictures of that. Yeah, so I mean, if you ever have the chance and you're into old vehicles and municipal vehicles, yeah, definitely check out this area. And there's a couple of these little garages around. And yeah, anyways, have a good day everybody. More videos to come.